In the diagram below, triangle LMO is isosceles, with LO equaling MO. And measure of angle NOM equals 28 degrees, and I missed it, measure of angle L equals 55 degrees. What is the measure of angle N? We want to find the measure of this angle right here. The thing is about isosceles triangles, since measure of angle L is 55 degrees, measure of angle M is also 55 degrees, because those are angles opposite of congruent sides. So that's helpful. And what we can figure out now, knowing that 55, is we can figure out what this angle is, because it forms a linear pair with the 55 degrees. So to figure out that measure, we take 55, again I'm going to call that angle A. 55 plus the angle equals 180. And if we subtract 55 from both sides, we get A equals 10 minus 5 is 5, 125. So I'm going to erase my red marks here the best I can. And I'm going to put in the 125. But we really want to find that green angle. And what we know, once again, is that there's 180 degrees in the triangle. We know the 28 degrees. We know the 125 degrees. And then if we add those up, that should give us, with that third angle, should give us the 180 degrees. Again, I called it A. I'll even switch it to a green color there. But if we pull up the calculator there, 28 plus 125 is 153. So 153 plus A equals 180. And if we subtract 153 from both sides, we get our value of our missing angle, which happens to be angle N. And I could have even used N for my variable, but that should be 27. Another triangle. Using the diagram below, what is the measure of angle JSM? Well, that is going to be this angle right here, JSM. And we know actually quite a bit in this triangle. But you have to look at the big triangle, which is the right triangle. I'll try to highlight it with my pen. Just look specifically at this triangle for starters. Because what we know is we know 90. And we know 48. We just don't know this measure right there. We can figure that out. Again, I'll use angle A equals 180. So this gives us 138 plus A equals 180. And then we can subtract 138 from both sides. And 180. 180 minus 138 gives us 42. But we know what we're looking for. I'm going to change colors there in terms of what we're looking for. We're looking for this angle right here. And now what we know is we know that this measure is 42. And we're given another piece of information in this triangle, which is that we know the 59 right there. We know that measure right there. And if we use our linear pairs, then we can come up with the fact that 180 degrees is how much those two add up to be, minus the 59. 10 minus 9 is 1, gives us 121. And where I'm trying to put that, which is very difficult, is that that angle is 121. And what we know in here, and I didn't use my space very well, but what we know in here is we found the 42 degrees. We just found 121 degrees, and we're missing that third angle, which is what we want to know, and that a triangle has 180 degrees in it. So 42 plus 121 is 163. 163, and if we could subtract 163 from both, we get A equals 17, which is our answer here.